Today's a get ready with me. I'm going to use a corrector right around my mouth, which is very, very dark. I use a powder brush and I'm going to just buff it in. This one is from Milani. Now I have buffed the corrector into my skin. I'm going to use my powder foundation from Juvia's Place. That's also part of my empties. I already have my primer on from e.l.f. It is a semi-matte primer. Now under my eyes, I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way Chai Concealer. I have a pink wedge and I'm just going to dab it under my eye. I'm not moving it or swiping it. I'm just dabbing. As I dab, it spreads. Already have my eye primer on, which is from Plain in Makeup by Yolando. I'm going to use my MAC bronzer, which is also part of my Empties project. And I have Hit Pan on that. I'm just going to bronze my forehead and the side of my face. And I also bronze right around my neck right here. To set the concealer under my eyes, I'm going to use my Clinique Press Face Powder, and it is in 20 Stay Nutmeg D for Deep. And that is also in my project panning. And see, again, another one have Hit Pan. And I'm just setting under my eyes. This one is not set yet. This one is set. Now it is time to do my eyes. I'm going to do a simple, natural, neutral eye look. I'm using my Milani palette. One of the shades just fall out. I am doing a one color eyeshadow neutral look. So I'm going into the darkest brown. And I'm just going to put that all over my eyes. Today's IM is a big one. It is a big, big one. I don't know how many of us are willing to do that, but it is necessary for just us. Not for the other person, but for us. So here it comes. Are you ready? And are you prepared to receive this affirmation for today? It says, I affirm that I am totally willing to freely forgive everyone. That is powerful. Take a few minutes and think about it. And you will see how powerful that is. It says, I affirm that I am totally willing to freely forgive everyone. Wow. That one is big. It even feels heavy. And the reason why it is feeling heavy is because we know for a fact some of us are not willing to forgive everyone. But in due time, we will do it. And when we do it, we will feel lighter. Powerful I am today. Wow. I have an eyeliner from LA Colors. And it's the black one. I'm going to use it to line my eyes. Usually I use liquid liner, but today I'm using this one. Whenever I put a cream liner, I have to go back over it with a powder, either powder eyeshadow or just regular face powder and put over it, or else my hooded eyes, when it folds over it, will take it all out and I'll have like an extra line. I will still have that, but it won't be as visible as if I don't. If I don't put that powder on there, I won't have eyeliner by the time the day ends. It will be up in my hooded eyes. So that's why I'm putting powder eyeshadow over it. I'm using my LA Girl black liner to do my waterline. I just love a black liner. To me, it works very good with my skin tone. Now from the same palette, I have a smudge brush. I'm going to go back into the color that's on my eye and I'm going to smudge it underneath my lower lash line. I have an Ilia mascara and I'm going to put mascara in the top lash and the lower lash line. The brush on this mascara is very, very different. I have blinked many times on it and make my eyes red. But the brush is really nice. It combs out everything. Let me show you what it looks like. Take a look. That's the brush. And when I get to the bottom lashes, I just go back and forth. And that's what I do. That's it. Now for lips, I'm going to take my Wine lip liner. I have this Cheeky Rose Beauty lip color palette. It's like a baby pink. I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm going to put it over this lip liner. I am back with the complete Simple Today's one color eyeshadow look, and they were all affordable products. Everything I used was affordable. I thank you very much for watching. I always appreciate you daily. Remember to love yourself a little bit each and every day. Stay prayed up, but most of all, believe in your prayer. When you pray, believe in your prayer. Until I see you and you see me, I am asking you to do one thing, just one. According to today's it says that I affirm that I am totally willing to freely forgive everyone. That is a big job. Not that it cannot be done, but it can be done. But until you get to that phase in your life, just keep forgiving yourself. Just keep forgiving yourself. See you shortly. Bye.